Nike Training Club Honest Review. Watch before using. Nike Training Club, NTC, is a free fitness app designed for all levels, offering guided workouts across strength, endurance, mobility, and yoga. Unlike other fitness apps that push paid subscriptions, NTC provides a surprisingly large selection of high-quality workouts without a paywall. You get expert-led sessions ranging from bodyweight-only routines to equipment-based strength training, with options for beginners and advanced athletes alike. Workouts vary from quick 5-minute sessions to full 60-minute classes, covering HIIT, weight training, stretching, and even recovery-focused exercises. The app is well-structured, featuring different workout plans tailored to specific goals, whether you want to build muscle, improve endurance, or simply stay active. It's ideal for home workouts, but many routines also work well in a gym setting. NTC stands out by offering professional trainers, including Nike Master Trainers and elite athletes, guiding you through proper form and technique. The interface is sleek and easy to navigate, with videos and audio cues ensuring you stay on track without needing to constantly check your screen. One of its strongest features is personalization. The app suggests workouts based on your activity level and progress, making it easy to stay consistent. Plus, you can integrate it with Apple Health to track your stats. The addition of mindfulness and wellness content, including nutrition tips and recovery guidance, makes it more than just a workout app. It's a full fitness companion. However, there are a few drawbacks. While the free content is impressive, the app lacks a true progression system, meaning it's up to you to track your improvements. Some users may find the lack of a social or competitive element disappointing compared to apps like Strava or Fitbit. Also, while the video demonstrations are high quality, there's no real-time form correction or feedback, so beginners might struggle without proper guidance. Overall, Nike Training Club is a top-tier fitness app, especially considering it's free. If you want an app with expert-led workouts, flexibility, and no hidden costs, NTC is one of the best options. But if you prefer structured progression, live coaching, or social features, you might need to supplement it with other fitness tools.